Today, we're going on an adventure to discover the incredible world of one of nature's most magnificent creatures.
As the sun rises over the African plains, a powerful sound echoes across the grasslands. It's a roar so mighty it can be heard from 5 miles away. This is the call of the king, the lion. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. A pride is like a family, with mothers, daughters, and their cubs all living together. The males, with their impressive manes, protect the pride's territory. These incredible animals can weigh up to 420 pounds and measure over 10 feet long from nose to tail. Their golden coats help them blend into the dry grasslands where they live. But it's not just their size that makes them special. Lions are built for power, with strong muscles, sharp claws, and teeth designed for one thing: hunting. So where does the king make his kingdom? Lions live in Africa, on wide open grasslands called savannas. The savanna is a perfect home for lions. It's a vast open landscape with tall grasses, scattered acacia trees, and watering holes where animals gather. This terrain gives lions the space they need to hunt and raise their families. Life on the savanna isn't easy, though. Temperatures can soar over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why you'll often see lions resting in the shade during the hottest parts of the day. They save their energy for early morning and evening when it's cooler and prey animals are most active. Lions are carnivores, which means they're meat eaters, and they're not picky about their menu. Zebras, antelopes, wildebeest, and buffalo are all on a lion's dinner plate. A single lion can eat up to 70 pounds of meat in one sitting. That's like eating 280 hamburgers. Here's something amazing. It's usually the females who do most of the hunting. Lionesses work as a team, using strategy and coordination that would impress any military commander. They spread out, surround their prey, and use the tall grass as camouflage. When the moment is right, they burst into action, running up to 50 miles per hour in short sprints. Once the hunt is successful, the whole pride shares the meal. The males might eat first, but everyone gets their fill. So, are lions predators or prey? Lions are apex predators, which means they're at the very top of the food chain. No other animal hunts adult lions. This makes them incredibly important to their ecosystem. By hunting zebras, antelopes, and other plant eaters, lions help keep those populations healthy and balanced. But being an apex predator doesn't mean life is easy. Lion cubs face many dangers, and only about half survive to adulthood. Male lions must constantly defend their pride from rival males who want to take over. These battles can be fierce and dangerous. Now, let's talk about that incredible roar we heard at the beginning. A lion's roar is one of the loudest calls in the animal kingdom, and it can be heard from 5 miles away. Imagine standing 5 miles from here and still being able to hear a lion's call. That's like being in one town and hearing a sound from the next town over. But why do they roar? Lions roar to communicate with their pride, to warn other lions to stay away from their territory, and to find each other across the vast savanna. Each lion's roar is unique, like a voice print, so pride members can recognize each other just by sound. Lions are truly remarkable creatures. From their powerful bodies and incredible hunting skills to their complex social lives and mighty roars, they've earned their title as the king of the savanna. Today, there are only about 20,000 wild lions left in Africa, which is why conservation efforts are so important. These magnificent animals remind us of the beauty and power of the natural world. So, the next time you hear about lions, remember, they're not just kings of the savanna, they're guardians of an entire ecosystem, symbols of strength and family, and one of nature's greatest masterpieces.
Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure.
Turn on notification bell, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.